Hey guys, so today I'm in a different setting. I'm gonna be making causa today. So I know a lot of this is honestly my favorite dish ever, so I've kind of perfected it to my liking and a lot of people's likings. A lot of people love this recipe. Hope you guys try it and love it. Ask me questions if you have any, I'll answer them. Hey guys, so I think it's a lot easier to do just like a voiceover. So step one is peel your potatoes. I would do just like a whole 3 pound bag and wash them after. So now I put them to boil just with a little bit of salt and a lot of water. You can forget about them. So here's a video of me just talking and not telling you guys to also put 2 chicken breasts in the pot to boil as well with a little salt. So yeah, I just completely forgot to film the footage of me doing that, but I did that, and yeah, so we're just gonna pretend I'm doing it. So now we're just going to get some celery. I got actually a lot for the amount of chicken that I did, but it doesn't really matter the portion. Like the celery just gives it more of a crunch, so that's okay if you want to put a lot of celery. Some people would probably just do 2 or 3 stalks, but whatever you like. If you love celery, then just go for it. I also have some parsley. It's like maybe just a little bit, like half of what the celery is or less. Again, it's to your own taste. So here's the fun part, guys. So basically what I have there is some ají amarillo, which is a Peruvian yellow hot pepper paste. I have a lime, and I am now mashing the potatoes that are fully cooked onto the mixture. You guys, I made a mistake. This was actually the funnest part. So when you get to mash it all up and just like move it, knead it with your gloves. So over here I have a mayo with the celery, parsley, a lot of black pepper, cumin, salt, a little bit of lime as well, and this we're just gonna mix it, add the shredded chicken that we put to boil, and mix it around. So now we're on to building the cake. We're just gonna split the mixture into 2 equal halves. So I just took the half of the mashed potato mixture and just flatten it onto the cake pan that I'm gonna be using. So that's just half laid down flat. Now these are some tomatoes I just sliced really quickly. It's 2 Roma tomatoes. And I'm just setting them down on top of the potato mixture. This is how I make it. You can put just about anything in here, maybe like cucumbers or just whatever. And now we're gonna layer it up again with the chicken salad mixture. So this goes right in the middle, and we're just gonna layer it on, make sure it goes on even on all sides. And yeah, make sure there's enough for all sides. This is for my family. I don't love to wear gloves when I'm doing this, so yeah, don't murder me. I know it would be better if I was wearing gloves, which I was, but I just didn't feel like it, and this is for my family, so whatever. Now from here on, you can pretty much do whatever you want. Some eggs, like hard-boiled egg, or a soft-boiled egg. If you like, you can also add olives. I don't particularly like olives too much. I want to add I'm gonna buy some avocados, slice them up, put them on top, and maybe boil an egg. Yeah, I hope you guys try it at home. Let me know. Tell me if I forgot something or anything. Like if you need any help, just comment down below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. If you wanna I have a question, I'll probably answer like my Instagram right away. Like comment on any of my pictures on Instagram and I will help you. Thanks guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.